Hello students, myself Bhavika Acharya. I am from MRT and MSV Science College, which is conducted by Sardar Patel Educational Institute. Today we discuss about what is microorganism and types of microorganism. Branch of science deals with study of microorganism which are too small to be seen with naked eye but visible under a microscope, also called microbes. Microorganisms are prokaryotic in nature and eukaryotic in nature. Prokaryotic cells do not contain a nucleus or any other membrane bound organelles. Example, bacteria. Eukaryotic cells contain a membrane bound organelles including a nucleus. Eukaryotes can be single celled and multi-celled. Example, insects, fungi, plant, animal. Microorganisms are present everywhere in nature. Air, water, soil, plant, animal and also human beings. Most of the microorganisms are beneficial to us. Normal microbes are present in human digestive systems. Plants use bacteria for nitrogen fixations. Microorganisms are classified in mainly 5 types. First bacteria, second fungi, third algae, fourth protozoa and fifth one is virus. First bacteria. Bacteria are primitive, simple, unicellular, prokaryotic and simplest microorganism. Occur almost everywhere in air, in water, soil inside, ocean. Some can survive in very low temperature and some can survive in very high temperature. Bacteria make up the kingdom Whittaker calls Monera. Bacteria are 2 types based on staining, gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. Bacterial cells generally have one of the several shapes like spiral shape, spherical shape, rod shape, coma shapes. Their cells is surrounded by a complex cell wall. They lack a membrane-bound organelles. A bacterial cells may be possess appendages like a flagella for motility, pili for adsorption, and sex pili for conjugation. Some bacteria may be surrounded by a mucilaginous coat of slime layer of capsules. The genomes as a genetic material a single circular DNA. They grow rapidly under favorable conditions and divide at an interval of 20 minutes. They can be grown in laboratory using liquid broth or solidifying media. In broth, they give a turbidity and on solid media they form a colonies. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology. Some bacteria examples Bacillus subtilis, Bacillus megaterium, Escherichia coli. Then next is fungi. The fungi are eukaryotic, unicellular or multicellular, achlorophyllous, spore-bearing organisms. Fungi reproduce asexually or sexually. The study of fungi is called mycology. They may be microscopic and macroscopic. Fungi are unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular fungi is yeast and multicellular fungi is mold. Yeast are spherical, oval and cylindrical in shapes. Molds are the filamentous fungi. Each filaments or threads is called hyphae. The network of hyphae is called mycelium. The hyphae may be accepted without cross wall, septate with cross wall. Nutritionally, the fungi are heterotrophic. They may be saprophytic or parasitic. Parasites can be affect plant, animal and human life. They reproduce asexually by fusion, fragmentation, budding and spores. Their sexual reproduction involves fusion of gametes to form a zygote. Importance of fungi. Fungi improve soil fertility, by taking a part in biogeochemical cycles. Fungi used in pharmaceutical industry for the production of antibiotics and various steroids. Fungi used in production of alcoholic beverages, bakery products and enzyme production. Many fungi are used in research. They are being used by cytologists, biochemists and microbiologists. Next, algae. The term algae means aquatic plants or the grass of water. Algae is a protist. It is eukaryotic, unicellular or multicellular organism with chloroplast. The algae may occur as a free living in water or terrestrial habitat. A mass of algae floating on water surface is called algal bloom. The algal body is called thallus. It may be unicellular or multicellular. Algae may be filamentous. Examples: Spirogyra. Unicellular algae may be spherical, rod shape or spindle shape. The algae possess photosynthetic pigment in chloroplast. Example: chlorophyll, biloproteins, phycobilins. The algae may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. Algae reproduce asexually or sexually. Algae is important part of ecosystem. They serve as a producer. Algae may use as a food. Some algae give agar-agar, alginic acid and carrageenan. Agar-agar are useful as a solidifying agent in microbiology lab. Some algae may be pathogen for humans and animals. Next, protozoa. Protozoa are unicellular eukaryotic microorganisms which lack the cell wall and chlorophyll and exhibit ingestive mode of nutrient. They occur as a free living of parasitic organism. In many cases, the cytoplasm is divided into two parts, ectoplasm and endoplasm. Nutritionally, they are chemoheterotropics. They have holozoic mode of nutrition. Pseudopodia, flagella or cilia may be two locomotory organ in specific protozoa. Some lack of locomotor structure. They reproduce asexually by binary fission, budding or multiple fusion. Their sexually reproduction involves the formation of zygote. Some of the protozoa play role in sewage treatment. Some are important components of the food chain in ecosystem. Some protozoa are being used in oil exploration. Some protozoa damage the soil and wooden furniture. Some of the protozoa cause disease in animal and human. Protozoa example: Paramecium, amoeba, euglena. The next, virus. Viruses are defined as a simple acellular infectious agent which consists of protein coat and either DNA or RNA as a genetic material and replicate only within the host cell. Viruses are ultramicroscopic, filter passing and obligatory intracellular parasites. They depend on cellular machinery for their substances. They require a specific host cell to infect. The viruses affect the host cell by its destruction or modification of the genetic information. They are so small that they cannot be seen by compound microscope. Viruses can be seen under electron microscope. Viruses possess either DNA or RNA as a genetic material. It may be double-stranded or single-stranded. They infect specific host cell, that is bacterial, virus, animal and plant according to the host cell infected. There are three types of viruses: bacteriophage, bacterial virus, animal virus and plant virus respectively. The viruses can be cultivated in laboratory by providing culture of host cell. Virus cause a disease in plant, animal and virus. Examples: TMV virus, HIV virus, influenza virus and COVID-19. Thank you guys.